salad broccoli that burns belly fat. How I lost 25 kilograms in a month. When it comes to losing weight, most people think of rigorous exercise routines and restrictive diets. But what if the secret to burning belly fat was sitting in your kitchen all along? Enter the vitamin salad, a refreshing, nutrient-packed dish that not only tastes amazing but also contributes to significant weight loss. In fact, this miracle salad helped me shed 25 kilograms in just 1 month. Intrigued? Let's dive into what makes this salad a game changer for your health and fitness goals. Why this salad is a vitamin treasure. The vitamin salad lives up to its name. It's packed with essential nutrients and minerals that support overall health while promoting weight loss. Made with fresh cucumbers, cabbage, carrots, apples, red onions, and zesty lemon juice, this salad offers a perfect balance of flavors and benefits. Key nutrients in the salad: vitamins A, B, C, E, K, and PP to boost immunity, improve skin health, and enhance energy levels. Minerals: potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, which strengthen bones, regulate metabolism, and support heart health. This powerhouse salad does more than just help with weight loss. It boosts the circulatory system, strengthens the nervous system, improves digestion, and restores the body's defenses. How? This salad aids in weight loss. Losing belly fat isn't just about counting calories. It's about fueling your body with the right ingredients. Here's how this salad works wonders. High fiber content. Ingredients like cabbage, carrots, and apples are rich in fiber, keeping you full for longer and reducing cravings. Natural detoxification. Lemon juice acts as a natural cleanser, flushing out toxins that can slow metabolism. Healthy fats. Olive oil not only enhances flavor but also provides essential fatty acids that support fat loss. Low in calories, high in nutrients. This salad is light yet satisfying, making it an ideal meal for weight loss. The ingredients and their benefits. Each ingredient in the vitamin salad serves a purpose. Let's break it down. Cabbage, 1/3 low in calories and packed with antioxidants. Cabbage is a natural fat burner that aids digestion. Carrot, 1 rich in beta-carotene and fiber. Carrots improve digestion and keep you feeling full. Fresh cucumber, 1 hydrating and refreshing. Cucumbers help flush out toxins and reduce bloating. Large red apple, 1 a touch of sweetness from apples adds flavor while providing vitamins and natural sugars. Red onion, 1 onions enhance metabolism and support heart health with their anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon juice, 1 a natural metabolism booster. Lemon juice also enhances the salad's tangy flavor. Olive oil, 50 milliliters. Healthy fats from olive oil support fat burning and improve skin health. Honey, 20 grams adds a hint of sweetness while offering antibacterial and antioxidant benefits. Mustard, 1 teaspoon, a surprising addition. Mustard adds a spicy kick and stimulates metabolism. Recipe: how to make the vitamin salad. Ingredients: 1/3 cabbage, salt and cane sugar to taste, 1 carrot, 1 fresh cucumber, 1 large red apple, 1 red onion, juice of 1 lemon, 50 milliliters olive oil, 20 grams honey, 1 teaspoon mustard. Instructions: finely chop the cabbage and sprinkle it with a pinch of salt and cane sugar. Let it sit for a few minutes to soften. Grate the carrot and cucumber and add them to the cabbage. Dice the apple and red onion and toss them into the bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and mustard until smooth. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss well to combine. Let the salad rest for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Serve fresh and enjoy this delightful, fat-burning dish. The hidden benefits of the vitamin salad: boosts metabolism. The combination of lemon juice, olive oil, and mustard helps kickstart your metabolism. Improves digestion. High fiber content ensures smoother digestion and better nutrient absorption. Strengthens immunity. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, this salad keeps you energized and healthy, supports heart health. With ingredients like olive oil and red onion, it helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. How this salad changed my life. When I started incorporating this salad into my daily routine, I was skeptical. But within a week, I noticed improvements in my energy levels and digestion. By the end of the month, I had lost 25 kilograms and felt more confident than ever. The beauty of the vitamin salad lies in its simplicity. It's easy to make, delicious, and incredibly effective. Plus, it's versatile. You can pair it with grilled chicken, fish, or even enjoy it as a standalone meal. Pro tips for maximum results: stay consistent. Make this salad a regular part of your diet for sustained weight loss. Pair with exercise. A balanced diet combined with regular exercise accelerates fat loss. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to aid digestion and keep your body functioning optimally. Final thoughts. The vitamin salad isn't just a dish, it's a lifestyle change. It proves that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With its vibrant colors, refreshing taste, and incredible health benefits, this salad is a must-try for anyone looking to lose weight and improve their overall well-being. So why wait? Try the vitamin salad today and take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about this belly fat burning wonder.